There are a lot of emotions in a wrongful death case, and I know from my perspective, but also the people that work in this firm, we put compassion foremost when dealing with families that have lost a loved one.
And it's important that we dive into what those relationships were so that we have an understanding of what's been lost, so that we can help them to the extent that we can rebuild.
There's no amount of money that's going to bring back a loved one. The law, though, only offers financial compensation, and that financial compensation is essential during these difficult times.
We want to hear about your relationship. We want to understand what your grief is like and what you've lost. But we also want to be your voice.
In Ontario, family members can sue for wrongful death. It's enumerated in the Family Law Act, specifically a spouse, a child, a sibling, parents, grandparents, grandchildren. Those are the kind of people that can sue.
So that they can ensure that they have the funding that's necessary not only to replace an income, for example, but also to replace those services that they may now need to hire to have people come in, so that it relieves some of that burden.
We do all that we can to maximize that compensation that the family can receive, to try as best as possible to get them justice for having lost a loved one.
Despite it being such a difficult, tragic, devastating time, that when ready to contact us to seek legal advice so that we can take the stress, the distress off of your shoulders and help you and your family along the way.
We welcome the opportunity to speak to them, to tell them what the law is and explain to them what they can and can't do so that they can get compensated for the loss of their loved one.